why I want to join the aviation branch. It is my choice, ma'am. I had a personal connection with the fighter jets. Whenever the fighter jets fly in the sky, actually you experience something very different. Not everyone can get the opportunity to fly a plane which costs somewhat about 10,000 crores. So it is one of the most uh, successful dreams I wanted to pursue. And fighter pilot hoba ette easy nahe. मते ସେଇଟା ହିଁ ଦରକାର ଥିଲା from the very beginning. ମତେ ଜଣା ନାହିଁ କାହିଁକି କିନ୍ତୁ from the very beginning it was my dream that I will become a fighter pilot in the navy only. I did not get success in the very first attempt. I cleared the written examination but ମୁଁ SSB interview clear କରିନଥିଲି first attempt ରେ.
Okay.
ପୁଣି ମତେ second attempt ଲାଗିଲା. I cleared the writtens, then went to SSB in Bangalore. ତାପରେ I cleared the interview, SSB interview. So it a बहुत difficult thila. For writtens I used to study about 10 to 12 hours a day when lockdown period was going on. So it was one of the most good opportunity I got in the lockdown wherein किए भी बाहर को जाई परिबोनी सेटा थिला. So it was actually an opportunity for me to study more and more so that I don't regret in life. मते regret केबे भी करिबा थिला नाही लाइफ रे. सेति पय मु पढिली खाली पढिली ଆଉ गेम्स भी खेलिली मो माइंड फ्रेश करबा पय मु गिटार भी सिखुतिली ଆଉ बहुत जिंसो करूतिली so that I can have a overall personality development. पुणी SSB इंटरव्यू तो खाली तमरो पर्सनालिटी अछि. How you present yourself in front of the assessors, that is being assessed by the assessors. से भी मते बहुत गाइडेंस देले मु बाहर रू भी टिके टिके कोचिंग नेली so that I can practice various tasks which happen in the SSB. In the SSBs I have met many Odia boys attending the SSB. Some clear it, some very few do not clear it, but I am very confident that Odia boys are very much spirited and very, very talented. In front of me, along with me, many of my friends who belong to Odisha have cleared it, including Priyanshu Sahu, Gaurav Nath, Ankit Raj Sahu, who belong to Odisha itself, who have cleared the writtens as well as the SSBs. And they have actually got a good rank in the merit list also. So, ao bhi thibe, mu jani ni, ao bhi thibe merit list re. Odisha is actually very good in terms of talent, no doubt about that. खाली awareness टिके नहीं सेटा टिके दरकार अछि. Nonetheless, Odia actually is one of the most one of the most talented boys, I must say. I used to study 5 to 6 hours किंतु लॉकडाउन रे मु एते पढिली कि मते सेटा मोर गोटे मेमोरेबल मोमेंट हे गला. आउ इन दी SSB also there was one memorable moment for me. SSB इंटरव्यू रे गोटे पार्ट अछि सेटा अछि पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. सेटा ऑन एन एवरेज चले 40 to 50 minutes किंतु मो इंटरव्यू खाली 10 minutes पे चलिला. Only 10 minutes, and in that also the interviewing officer was pressurizing me for a lot of times. Sometimes he was telling me don't try to be over smart in front of me. Se khali check karuthila ki if I am getting pressurized or not, so that in the future if I get pressurized on small things then I'll not be able to lead my men properly as an officer. So seita bhi minute jinsa check hue seiti SSB interview hai. So eta in a nutshell it was a very, very memorable moments for me. So after joining the NDA I will prepare well. I'll try to groom myself more well so that I can become a successful officer for the defense of India. पुणी मु फाइटर पायलट भी बनिबाकू चाहिबी. सेटा क्लियर हबा पाई मु फाइटर पायलट बनिबी और इंडिया को बहुत भलो रंग कंट्रीब्यूट करी.